Welcome back, folks, to another episode of Product Critique, where we dissect and review the latest and greatest gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of lawn care with the Greenworks Pro 80V 8-inch brushless edger. This edger isn't just any edger. It's the best Greenworks 80V edger available in the market. Why? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk power. The 80V lithium-ion battery delivers fade-free power with no memory loss after charging. That means consistent performance every time you use it. And with a no-load speed of 7,000 RPM, this baby can tackle even the toughest edging jobs with ease. But power is just the beginning. The 8-inch blade ensures precise edging every time, while the adjustable auxiliary handle and cushioned overmold grip provide superior comfort and control. Say goodbye to hand fatigue and hello to a perfectly manicured lawn. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about the newer model? Well, fear not. While there may be a newer version available, the Gen 1 Greenworks Pro 80V edger still holds its own, offering the same unbeatable performance at a fraction of the cost. So, whether you're a seasoned landscaper or a weekend warrior, the Greenworks Pro 80V 8-inch brushless edger is the ultimate tool for keeping your lawn looking its best. Don't settle for anything less, choose the best. That's a wrap for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews just like this one. Until next time, happy edging!